Hey, what's up? Hello. I hope your day's going well and I hope it only gets better. I'm here with another great product here from Seesii. This guy's really going to help me with some rack maintenance as well as lubing some cars. This is an electric battery operated grease gun, so you don't need to carry around an air hose for those pneumatic grease guns, and you don't have to pump a million times with regular standard grease guns. So very excited about this guy. It has a really nice universal attachment here for Zerk fittings. It's got a good hose to it. Let's just open this guy up and see what all. It does come with some gloves, which are really nice. Keep your hands clean. It's got our owner's manual here. It does come with two batteries, lithium ion. I went ahead and I pre-charged these up so they're ready to go, ready for some maintenance this morning. It does come with a cord to charge up your batteries. And then this is the beautiful grease gun. I really like the fact that it's got a shoulder strap, so you can just strap this guy right over your shoulder. And it just makes it really easy, less to carry. So let's talk about the gun here. We're gonna put it together, get the hose on it. But it is a nice cordless gun here. It does have a pivot for the handle, which is kind of nice. So you can feel more like it's a grease gun going in this way. Or you could have it straight, whatever is best. Whatever you like the best, because this is going to be over the shoulder. You can just grab it like this and squeeze the trigger. It does have one of these guys that keeps the trigger locked, so it keeps it on for you. All right, guys, got the hose put on the grease gun here. Got the nice locking Zerk fitting end here, which works really, really nice. I went with the long hose, gives me plenty of flexibility. I do love this shoulder strap, holds the gun. So that way it just makes doing maintenance a lot easier. Just gonna push it on the Zerk fitting, push it down, let go, and it locks on there very nicely. And then we can just, now I already went ahead and I bled this. So you got a bleed screw here. I can open it up and you can see grease out. So it's actually working, and it's working wonderful. It puts out quite a bit of grease pretty fast. You can watch how fast it goes down on the back side here, seeing how much grease you're getting in. But this grease gun works great. I've already gone ahead and I've lubed up a couple of racks, and it works awesome. This is the way to go, not dragging around an air hose. Not having to pump a million times. I'd be pumping for probably 5 minutes to do what I just did. So I do recommend this. If you guys want to grab one of these guys, we got a link below. Go ahead and click on that guy and pick one of these up. Make doing maintenance a lot easier. Really convenient, really nice. I really like this gun. I give it 2 thumbs up. Check it out, guys.